living life my way. A full throttle down the highway, leaving behind me. Living like I can die, chasing another sunrise. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway. Today is my last day. Nowhere to die alive, right into the sunrise. When the day gets dark and the lights go out, and I'm looking back on everything I lost, trying to figure out what this life's about. Doubt hits hard like a 12 gauge, stuck in the muck of my old ways, just trying to get lost in the moment and forget about the past, because the past is like a damn cage. Be a man that stand when the time right, be you, be true in the limelight. But my thoughts are lost with these shots, so right, I still shot by the view of my hindsight. Walking tall through hell so steady, still living cause hell wasn't ready. Everything in my past so heavy, so you know I stay high like a jacked up Chevy. Cause nothing better than finally letting go. Like the world is mine and I was born adrift and so right. A little whiskey and an open road, riding through the night, chasing another sun rays. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway, leaving behind what's behind me. Living like I can die, chasing another sunrise. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway. Today is my last day. Nowhere to die alive, right into the sunrise. When the sun goes down and the drinks go round, and I'm thinking back on everything I lost. The view from up top ain't bad looking down. Another day, another state line, I'm doing like the devil trying to take mine. Living life one city at a time, just tipping back that moonshine. Cause the pain's so constant, but enough is enough with the nonsense. All the women and the drugs and the violence, weighing like 1,000,001 tons on my conscience. So I put it in a bag of bones, and with the wheel stop rolling, I'm back at home. Then stop, put the pedal to the metal, when I wake up in the morning, then I'm gone. Nothing better than finally letting go. Like the world is mine and I was born adrift and so right. A little whiskey and an open road, riding through the night, chasing another sun rays.
I want to die alive, I want to die alive, I want to die alive, put the world to my back and ride. I want to die alive, I want to die alive, I want to die alive, put the world to my back and ride.
I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway, leaving behind what's behind me. Living like I can die, chasing another sunrise. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway. Today is my last day. Nowhere to die alive, right into the sunrise. I'm living like I never died. A cigarette ashes blowing through the night. I put the world to my back and just ride. No regrets, I just wanna die alive. I lean back and just let it go, like everything in the past is old. I put it on my mama, I'm a drifter soul. And these times been through plenty hell before, and I've been there, I've done that, I've done with that. And looking back, now it's nothing but my way and the highway. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway, leaving behind what's behind me. Living like I can die, chasing another sunrise. I'm living life my way. A full throttle down the highway. Today is my last day. Nowhere to die alive, right into the sun. USA. Brave men and women giving up their whole life so you could go home and sleep safe the whole night. But you turn around and disrespected what you did and get the message. Show respect to get the stepping. Either that or pick a weapon. Pick a side. If it ain't us, I hope you die. That's how I ride. Stars and stripes by my side. Hell yeah, never give up. Forfeit or retreat. This the USA, land of the free.
And I salute all the brave. For the red, white, and blue, America to my grave. Standing strong for my stripes, shooting up like a star. Keep it 10 toes down while I'm standing on top and I'm screaming out the man. And I salute all the brave. For the red, white, and blue, America to my grave. Standing strong for my stripes, shooting up like a star. Keep it 10 toes down while I'm standing on top and I'm screaming out America.
Third and last call, 520. That's a great bargain, isn't it, Prospect Eldon? That's a great bargain. Hey, and I think it's also good for our 31st chapter, isn't it? All right, here we go. It's sold your away space, close to $500. All right, plus a 50% vig. All right, he got that.
Traded my horse and for a Harley, keep it twisted, whiskey, proud alive, and out here on the road doing me. Gave up my lady for a bottle, I can drink away my problems. You gon' hear that even screaming before you see me. Riding the tail of the dragon, pipe spitting flames, saddle bag filled with something I can seal. I live to ride, I ride to live. One down, the rest up. Ride around with the best of them. 1200 screaming in the wind. Go ahead, zip your vest up. Guardian bell on the front end, making sure that we make it in. Running from my own demons, trying to outrun my own sins. Yeah, some of my best friends all patched in, but it's all love. I got they back no matter what. We live to ride and they know what's up. Been down since day one, now we all on the come up. R.I.P. to high speed, just help me keep my head up. Sometimes I get fed up, so I hit the road and I let loose. Throttle locked in my right hand, feels like I can't let loose. Lane switching, clutch gripping, bottle in a sack. Once the highway gets your soul, you will never get it back. Traded my horse and for a Harley, keep it twisted, whiskey, proud alive, and out here on the road doing me. Gave up my lady for a bottle, I can drink away my problems. You gon' hear that even screaming before you see me. Riding the tail of the dragon, pipe spitting flames, saddle bag filled with something I can seal. I live to ride, I ride to live. My intentions are twisted, shout out twisted intentions. And all my throttle heads, I just had to mention, keep the hammer down on that open road. Out here burning rubber, not your soul. That's just how it go. When you're free as a bird, gassed up, hashed up, taking them curves. Chromed out 1200, I just let that rev run. All custom, built, not bought, son. Ain't no other way, there's no need to change. All I need is handlebars and a diamond chain. Get up out my way, get up out my way. Traded my horse and for a Harley, keep it twisted,